So today's video I am going to be doing an unboxing. So this here is the Wonderlab Boutique box, and basically it is a subscription service that is based out of Calgary here, and it's all products that are kind of more on the natural side of things and all products that are based in Canada. So let's go ahead and open it. I had started to untie it and then I was like, oh, I should do this on camera, so I like retied it so it might not be quite as pretty as they initially had it. Okay, so here we go. So opening it up, it's really packaged super cute. Yay. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see this. Here is what is in the box for February. So first thing in the box is this set of earrings. This is from Tish Jewelry. So they're really pretty, and there's just like those little specks of gold in the earrings. I am definitely like a minimalist when it comes to jewelry, so I really like the fact that they're studs. I'm definitely drawn towards those more than like big gaudy pieces. I'll have to try them on to give my full verdict. I usually just go for honestly like little like diamond studs, so like I said, I'll have to give these a try to see how I fully like them, but they're really pretty. I like the little details in there, and it almost reminds me of gemstones, which I'm obsessed with just anyways. So next up we have this body oil. I am really excited to give this a try. It can be used like in your bath, so it can be a bath oil. You can use it for body oil, and then it is also slightly scented, so you can actually use it for like a perfume oil as well. Oh, that's so pretty. It's kind of like a lemony type scent. I'm the worst at describing colors and scents, but that's really, really pretty. I'll definitely be using this. Essential oils, notes of jasmine, rose, vanilla, tropical verbena? I don't know. And ylang ylang, is that how you say it? But, so nice. The last thing in February's box is this candle from Matchsticks, and I'm pretty sure they're a Calgary-based company, but it's called A Night in Paris, Amber Teak and Vetiver. I don't know. I feel like this is also fancy for me. I don't even know how to say it. Oh my god. Heavenly. I am obsessed with candles, so I'm so excited about this. I love candles. I have them burning pretty much constantly, and this is like literally to die for. Oh my god. Oh yeah, it says right there, made in Calgary, Alberta. How awesome is that? One of the things that the founder was telling me, most of the things that they get are things that are made in small batches, so it's like smaller companies, and when she orders the products for it, most of them are made within that order, so it's not things that are sitting on the shelves for like years and years. Like these are all pretty much freshly made. So overall, I love everything in the box. I love that they're a little bit more natural, and I will definitely be getting use out of the candle and the oil. I'll have to give the earrings a try to give them like my full thumbs up. I think they're super pretty. It's just kind of whether I would wear them. I'm a little picky with that kind of thing. So a big thank you to Wonderlab Boutique. I am so excited. I think this is such an amazing concept, and I'm definitely wishing them a lot of success. I do have a discount code, so I will leave that on the screen somewhere and below for you to check them out. Other than that, I hope everyone's having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!